So our last story was about bees. Now we're going to read from the same book, my best book of creepy crawlies, and this time we're going to learn about the busy little ants that we see in our garden. Ants make their nest under large stones or plants. Each nest contains hundreds of ants. One of them, the queen, lays all the eggs. The others are workers. They do different jobs around the nest, such as feeding the larvae or gathering food. Ants eat all sorts of plants and animals. When they find food, they mark a trail back to the nest with a powerful scent, which the other ants quickly follow. This is a queen ant, and this is a worker. Can you see the queen ant's abdomen is bigger? The queen ant has wings at first, but pulls them out after she flies off to mate with a male. She spends the rest of her life laying hundreds of eggs. These are weaver ants. Weaver ants work as a team to build their nest. Some of the ants hold leaves together. Others bind the edges of the leaves with sticky, silky thread made by their larvae. These are honeypot ants. Honeypot ants use some of their workers as jars. When flowers are plentiful, they fill the workers with nectar. They milk them when food is harder to find. An ant's nest, that's what you see here. There are many different rooms inside an ant's nest. Some are nurseries for the eggs, larvae, and pupa. Others are used to store rubbish or food. Worker ants are always busy. Some look after the queen and the nurseries. Others guard the entrance to the nest, attack intruders, and search for food. Ants pass on information by tapping one another with their feelers. Here you can see two ants talking to each other with their feelers, and this is an awesome ant's nest. There are the eggs, here are the pupa, and here are the larvae. What busy little bodies, something we can definitely learn a lesson from.